So continuing onward with LangChain chat memory, now we're going to use the conversation token buffer. This works really pretty similar to the regular buffer, except instead of saying lines in the buffer, you say how many tokens. And that makes a lot of sense because you're billed based on tokens. You're told how big the context window is in terms of tokens. Now, the only caveat here is the driver has to be reporting how many tokens are actually being used. Not all drivers do that. Most of the major ones that we will work with do. OpenAI definitely does. So here we're going to need to obtain your security credential. So this is the OpenAI key, which since I am running this in Colab, it's stored in my Colab secrets here. So I retrieve it. And that is going to be used to reach out to be able to access a large language model for this. So here I am basically telling it that we're going to use GPT-4o Mini. You are a helpful assistant, format the answers with Markdown. And then we initialize it. This is the driver. So if you're using something other than chat, or then OpenAI, then you'll use a different driver for that. And we tell it that we're keeping a conversational memory, and the token limit is 2048, so 2K of tokens. And then we set it up with the prompt, and we let it run. And then converse, we just basically get the output, and we add to it. So here you can see I am having a chat with it. Hello, what is my name? And it says I don't have that. And I tell it that my name is Jeff. And it says, nice to meet you, Jeff. Then, this is hilarious. Then I ask it, what is my name? I'm sorry, but I don't have access to your personal information like your name. How may I assist you today, Jeff? So a little random there, but a lower temperature would probably help with that. But I think it's pretty funny. Hey, Jeff, I don't know what your name is. So, but that's how it works. And then we're going to converse in Markdown. So we're going to get the conversation in. We'll print out that it's human, and then we'll query the model through the chat LangChain chat utility, and then we will get the output. So now I'm telling it, what is my name? It tells me, sorry, don't know that yet. Then let me introduce you, and then I say, what is my name? It says, my name is Jeff. I think they put some guardrails into here around personal identification information. So if I'm asking it like, oh, what do you got on me, ChatGPT? It tells me, no, I respect your privacy. Kind of like it says, no, Jeff, I don't know what your name is. And then if you want to converse with a system prompt, here I do an example I've done before. I tell it that it's basically here to talk about life insurance policies, and that is all that it may talk about. And then you can see I converse with it, and you can see that it really won't even say hello to me or hi, Jeff, after I tell it my name, because it just keeps insisting I can only answer questions about life insurance, which is good. That's what we told it to do. And then finally, I do ask, what is the difference between term and whole? And it's like, yes, my reason for existence. And it answers you. And we can examine the conversation memory, and you see it here. There's all the prompts. It's just all the prompts in linear order. And I ask, what type of policy do I ask about? And then it answers my question. It knows the question. So we can cause the memory to overload. And what I'm doing here to do that is I'm saying, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Jeff. And I tell it, you have one job. Remember that my favorite color is blue. And it tells me that it's, got it, your favorite color is blue. How can I assist you? And then we put this big loop in here, and we make it take all these random facts. And when we get to the end, it says, yes, your name is Jeff. The only reason it remembers that I am Jeff is because it keeps repeating my name back to me. If it was not, it wouldn't. So like I asked, what's your favorite color? And it's like, I don't know. Because favorite color has rolled off. And Jeff just keeps getting echoed around and repeated. So that's why it does know that. We can print out the format of the buffer. You can see that it's just a list of all of these responses. Thank you for watching the video, and this is an introduction into tokenized memory handling in chat or in LangChain. So if the video was useful, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all future videos that I will do on AI.